Managing pain and the suffering. Our approach is non pharmaceutical, drug free, lifestyle changing tools, natural, simple, easy, conscious process in which we walk together how to awaken inner peace and happiness, wisdom and the truth. You'll be surprised that our program and practices and approach includes 6 out of 10 of the most recognized non pharmaceutical approaches with various permutation and combination based on your challenges. And these 6 out of the 10 most recognized non pharmaceutical approaches has also been recognized by the National Institute of Health. If you go there and look at the alternative and the complementary medicine, so the 6 out of the 10 approaches includes guided talk based on the principles very well discovered and validated by hundreds of masters of the Eastern wisdom for mind management, for awakening to the mind, for helping the mind to purify and ultimately retain focus in order to discover the permanent peace and happiness, in turn manage your problems. Whether it is a problem pertaining to your anxiety, relationship, personal and professional challenges, and we talk about the stress and depression, we use alternative and complementary approach, which is totally drug-free, non-pharmaceutical. Once the masters who taught this wisdom and has passed on this wisdom for 6,000 years, they say once you become a seeker on the path, you will not leave this path easily. Why? Because your mind continues to explore the infinite possibilities, not only in your personal evolution, in your professional life, in your social life, in your family